Stop paying for Adobe apps, use these apps instead. Now, if you are a content creator or you are a creator, you should know that one of the greatest challenges we face is the big amount of charges Adobe loads on us. And for this reason, I've been able to make research on different apps that are going to be proper alternative to all Adobe apps so that Adobe will rest more and we also get peace of mind, especially the new creators and upcoming creators. Let's go there. What's up, people? My name is Solomon Chooks. Here we talk about content creator, how to make money online, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, video editing, and different opportunities that can give you money with your smartphone and from the comfort of your home. No matter how it is, we just break it into the simplest term and we test run them to be sure that they are perfect and working correctly. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you just 3 alternatives to all Adobe apps that you can use and do your content creation job, or even use it for your skills. Probably you are a creator or you are a designer, editor, or whatsoever. These apps are going to serve you so well that you will not be needing Adobe apps. Now, why do we need to get rid of Adobe apps? Now, for several years, Adobe app charges us so much. And I even got to notice that sometimes they begin to change their policies, they begin to change their payment option and so on. Once they get you into the ecosystem, just like iPhone, you are in trouble. You can't leave. You start moving from this app to this app and to this app, just to make sure you remain there. In short, I even noticed that the worst thing is that when you want to cancel your subscription, when you want to opt out of the system, you will have to pay a fee. They will most times threaten you that you will not be able to complete the job you are doing. That is a very big lie, because now there are alternatives. Now, the first alternative is photo editing apps. Now, you use Adobe Photoshop for photo editing. Most editors learn with Adobe Photoshop. Yes, most professional editors, they learn with Photoshop. Okay, so it is very hard for you to leave the system because it is actually professional and will deliver the job well. But guess what? I found an alternative that is going to serve you as well as that. The first one is Lumina. Now, Lumina is a simple to use photo editor. Very, very simple. You can use it and still get a good result. So Lumina is owned by Skylum and it is powered by AI. Like it's an AI powered photo editor. You can see what they wrote here is an advanced photo editor leveraging the artificial intelligence to transform photo post processing into an enjoyable and effortless task. So it's available for Windows and for Mac. So you can try it out. It's amazing. All right. It's professional. Okay. You find varieties of advanced tools that will help you get a perfect and professional photo editing, and it deals with only one-time payment and you are good to go. So you can do a whole lot of things here. You can on Lumia beyond limits. All right, if not even better than Photoshop, but I wouldn't want to say that because a lot of you are already conversant with Photoshop and a lot of people think that Photoshop is the best editing app. So I wouldn't be going contrary to that, but I tell you, Skylum did a whole lot of work here. So this is the plan. All right, so here you can see the plan. It's a lifetime and perpetual license. So you make a payment, a one-time payment, and you use it, and this payment is far cheaper than whatever Adobe is offering. Okay, and this one has AI feature. All right, you can see 81% off. All right, and you pay it once in a lifetime. Okay, that is how it is. Now, the next one is Affinity Photo. Now, you are going to go and check out all these apps the way I'm mentioning them. I'm just going to be displaying the icons, and then you go check them out and see how you can make use of them. All right, so Affinity Photo is doing very, very well. In short, Affinity Photo is another amazing one. All right, it comes with a 50% off and you can get a 6-month free trial. This is an amazing photo editing software that is going to serve you so well, just like the other counterparts. And then no subscription after trial. All right, okay, no subscription after trial. So it's not like those ones that you must have to subscribe after you finish trial. No, you can try it for free, use it. If you don't want it, you can as well let it be. All right, so subscription is a one-time subscription and it's quite so very cheap. So you have nothing to bother about this. You master them very well, you are going to deliver good result like you do on Adobe Photoshop. Now, the next one is their audio enhancement app. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, this place we talk about different ways you can make money online: tech, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content creation, and different ways you can actually make reasonable income with your smartphone, as well as give you easy tips that can help you come up well with your content creation journey. I'm Solomon Chiefs once again. Let's proceed. In this 2024, we got to see that Adobe has also released an audio enhancement tool. This audio enhancement tool is called Adobe Podcast. So it's used to enhance your audio quality. All right, it's an AI tool that enhances audio quality, filters it, removes noise, and so on from the audio. All right, now this enhancement tool is doing very well. Like, they give you some minutes of free usage. Now, I found out something. I found out that when you use it for the first time, second time, you will not be able to use it again for free. After some times of usage, you won't be able to use the free version again. So for that reason, I went into research to find an alternative that can actually give us a reasonable hours for free to enhance our audio. This tool that I'm talking about is going to clear every surround noise, make your sound come out perfect and amazing. And this tool is called Auphonic. You can use their web version or their software. So most times I use the web version. Auphonic. You're going to be seeing the icon on screen. Auphonic audio enhancer. They give you 24 hours every month. So 24 hours video audio enhancement every month. So if you use more than that, you are going to pay for the subscription. All right, so that is that for that. Now, without wasting time, the next one is going to be the video editor. Now, everybody uses Adobe Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro has gone viral. It is in short, it is the best video editing tool that even people who are not in the editing industry, they know about Adobe Premiere Pro. Someone will come and tell you to teach me how to edit video, and the first app they are going to mention is Adobe Premiere Pro. So it is actually the best because of its good delivery of editing. Okay, but guess what? I found an alternative. Now, this alternative is going to replace Adobe After Effects, the Adobe Audition. The features in this other one is going to replace these other apps that comes with Adobe. Adobe is so smart that they will break down different features that are supposed to pack in one into different apps so that they can be making money from them because they are sole industry. All right, so this app I'm talking about is going to replace Adobe After Effects. It's going to replace Adobe Audition. Adobe After Effects is used to design your motion graphics, okay, your After Effects, and so on. Now, this app is going to do all that for you. And what is the app? The app is called DaVinci Resolve. Now, DaVinci Resolve is amazing. It's very, very much amazing. And guess what? It has the free version and it has the paid version. Now, the paid version is a one-time payment and you're not going to pay again except when an update is done. And in short, you don't pay again. It's a one-time payment. Far unlike the Adobe Premiere Pro. There's no Adobe software that you pay only once, okay? But DaVinci does that, and you're going to get a variety of editing features. In short, the free version gives you everything you need to have a good and quality video up and running, complete. All right, the free version. Now, if you want to extend the usability, then you can go on for the paid version. You can upgrade to the paid version. But I tell you, if you're a starter, you're a new creator, please go get DaVinci Resolve and you're going to start making professional videos just like they do on Adobe Premiere Pro. You are going to be able to make your After Effects and so on, color grade, just everything, okay, that you would be needing Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, and Adobe Audition for. So these are the things I think you would be needing as a proper content creator or as a person in the design industry to come up with good quality designs, very, very free or cheap. All right, now all these tools, you only have a one-time payment if you must pay, only a one-time lifetime subscription, no reoccurring subscription like in Adobe software. So that is why they are amazing. So what I suggest is that you check out these softwares. If there is any of them that you know, please come to the comment section and tell me your take on the apps that I mentioned. What do you think? Is it good? Is it not good? What is your experience while using the app? Do you use that DaVinci Resolve? Please tell me your experience compared to Adobe Premiere Pro. And I'm thinking of making a video on AI tools that are going to replace all these things. A series of free AI tools that will be replacing all these tools, including the Adobe tools and the other ones I mentioned. If you are going to be interested in that or you want it, what I'm here to do is to always do what you guys want or what will be beneficial to you guys. Just let me know in the comment section. Now, if you are interested in learning how to make money online, I'm going to be dropping a link to my community and some of my tutorials, free tutorials, in the description bar, where you're going to be learning all these things. Now, I'm going to be dropping a video next week which is going to be on how to mine USD, that is dollar, free of charge. If you are interested in this, what you have to do to be notified when we drop this video is to make sure you subscribe to this channel and then click on the bell icon to be able to be notified when we drop this video. It's going to be amazing. You'll be able to mine dollars from the comfort of your home, and you make instant withdrawal that gets into your account in 10 minutes. I'm Solomon Choose from Solo Communications. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and those of you who have been here with us, I love you all. You are the reason we are here. Please like this video. It's going to help us go forward, and it's going to help us tell YouTube that this video is important, and it will share it to more and more people. And please share to your friends so they can get to know it. Thank you very much, and thank you for subscribing to this channel. I'm Solomon Choose once again from Solo Communications. I sign out.